Kuiper were formed just 3 short seasons ago, and this is our first full season on the Hunter. And being the only Hunter display team in the world means that you're seeing something very special here today at Swansea. It was designed by Sir Sidney Cam, designer of the Hurricane, a very famous Battle of Britain fighter, as his legacy to aviation. Known by the Spitfire of the jet age for its combination of performance and handling that fighter pilots dream about. And at 60 years old, she still looks, sounds and flies as beautifully as the day she first rolled out the factory.
Cool. Come on.
We have a show for you today that combines the 3 components that we feel really characterize the Hunter: of power, heritage and soul.
Once you lose it, we can't find them.
We call Swan, which really shows off the aircraft shape to its best. As I mentioned, this aircraft is 60 years old this year. So to put that in perspective, if you can imagine any of you on the beach there, going back to your homes, hooking your car into the garage, and 60 years from now, getting it out and expecting it to work. And that exactly gives you an idea of the challenge, both aviation and engineering-wise, required to actually run this team today.
Wait a minute, Dan.